So we all do it without thinking. We open the fridge, see an expiration date that's past yesterday or a few days ago, or a banana with brown spots, and we just throw in the trash. It's a mindless habit, but that one thing happens in millions of kitchens daily. In the United States, 35 million people struggle to eat, yet we throw away enough food that can fill up a stadium, which is stated by RTS. My name is Angelise, and today I will show how big this problem is, why it continues, and how we can shift our thinking and to fix it. First, let's look at the problem and how big food waste really is. Most of us are familiar of the saying, better safe than sorry, as one explanation by a community bot from a website says, you might end up regretting it if you don't do this. This fear causes us to trust printed labels more than our common sense. According to RTS, the best buy dates on packagings usually refer to food quality, not safety. But 80% of Americans toss it anyways to just be safe. Roughly 22 billion pounds of food are tossed annually. In restaurants, workers often are forced to throw away perfectly edible like wraps or salads or pastries because it's routine protocol, which is stated by Hannah Lovici. And I had a question about this. I was wondering if anyone has worked like in a restaurant or okay. Yeah. And do you guys know if you like throw food away or
Yeah, especially like at the end of the shift.
Okay. In our homes, this confusion leads the average family to waste $1,500 per year, which is stated by CNET. Even through laws like Good Samaritan Food Donation Act protects businesses from liabilities, and many still choose the trash can or the dumpster because waste has simply become normal. Now that we've seen the problem, you might be wondering, is a different way actually possible? And the answer is yes. It looks like France, where it is illegal for supermarkets to waste edible food, or like Sweden, where food scraps are turned into energy for homes and roads and buildings. Through technology like Too Good To Go app and organizations like Feeding America, we are already rescuing over 4.3 billion pounds of food. We are finally bridging the gap between a business with too much food and a neighbor with too little. And I wanted to talk more about the app. That's not the only app. There's also one called Oa Potato, Olio, and Flash Food. These apps connect people to discounted goods and help manage food at home. And I will be honest, completely ending food waste might not seem too realistic right now, but as seen, the shift is already beginning, and there's some solutions that could help with that. In conclusion, the sources I've shared are just the starting point. I hope you take time to do your own research, understand food labels, and help spread awareness. When we stop accepting food waste to normal and start seeing it as preventable, solutions become more obvious. It starts with how we choose to look at it. As one author and speaker said, Wayne Dyer once said, when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. And that's